everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to create Guru Purnima painting using acrylic colors. So first I am creating outline using pencil. In this painting I am including some mandala designs as well. For that I am creating semicircles using rounder. You can create any design you want. So to create this painting you will need some acrylic colors, palette and some brushes. First I am using yellow acrylic color for background. Apply the color using flat brush. After that, for hands I am using skin color. Then I am using some orange color for mixing. Using blue acrylic color for middle one. I am leaving the space between two lines. and for the remaining 2 semicircles I am using red acrylic color. And then with the help of white pen, I am doing the finishing of white lines. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, bye bye.